Folks, every condo seller is selling a luxury unit. I'll get into that and then the latest home prices and insights for condos across the GTA for week ending July 24th, 2024. Luxury. That word, when you hear it, puts a lot of ideas in your head. And when you read a property description, there's so many other words that point to the word luxury, or at least give the connotation of luxury. Just the word penthouse. When you're thinking of condos and somebody says, I live in a penthouse, you're thinking, wow. Or at least you used to think, wow, they live in a penthouse. But today there's upper penthouse, lower penthouse. There are 400 and 500 square feet penthouses. Think about it. You're lying in bed in your 400 to 500 square foot penthouse, and you could reach over and open the fridge. I don't care how nice the place is. That doesn't feel so luxurious when it's only 500 square feet. We're in a luxury building that's promoted as a luxury and marketed as a whole luxury building, and we're waiting 10 minutes for the elevator. That doesn't feel so luxurious. You'll read words like chef-inspired kitchen. And then you go see the kitchen and the stove, you could put like just 2 pots on the stove. The fridge is this big. You're wondering, what chef inspired this kitchen? Is it Ratatouille from Disney maybe? Amenities. Oh, these are my favorite. Resort style amenities. If you've been to a resort, the amenities are pretty awesome. Then you'll see it in the condo that says resort style amenities, and half of them are closed. And there's no inclination as to when they're going to reopen. Every seller seems to be promoting their condo this way when you read the property descriptions. Look, there are some truly luxurious condos out there. And when you see them, they stand out. But today, it seems that every condo is chef-inspired and spa-like bathroom and, just they all seem the same. Those words don't mean what they used to mean. So if you're reading a property description and you're looking for a luxurious condo, be open-minded, have a look, make sure that it actually is a luxury building, that you physically see it and you feel the luxury, because too many of them, they all look the same. The same finishes, the same amenities, the same words, and those words just don't mean what they used to mean anymore. If you feel this video can help somebody you know, please pass it along. If you get value from what we're talking about, subscribe. If you want to speak with me about your real estate situation, selling, buying, it's really simple. There's a link up here. There's a link below this video in the description to my calendar. Click on that, book a time that's convenient for you, and we'll talk about whatever's on your mind. Now, let's get into the numbers. Here we go, folks. Everything you wanted to know about condo market for the GTA. We're going to break it down into 3 sections. Condos for the city of Toronto, for York region, and for Peel region. Now, these are average sold prices. If we look back 3 months to where average sold prices were to where they are now, in all cases, average sold prices for condos are lower today than they were 3 months ago. Let's take a closer look. We're going to start off with the city of Toronto. When I say condos, I mean condo apartments only. There's no condo townhouse numbers in the data here. So for the city of Toronto, for condo apartments, for week ending July 24th, 175 condos were sold. 17 of those were at $1 million or more. Both those numbers, sales and the amount of units selling at $1 million or more, both those numbers have been trending down for a while now. Average sold price sitting at $710,000. Average sold price has been trending down for a while now. Compared to last year, 710 is 6% lower. The median price is 3% lower. Median price is $648,000. Now, when we look at the dotted line here, the dotted line, that's a 4-week moving average. Average price is trending down. Not by a lot. It's not aggressive. It's not like prices are falling off a cliff or anything, but they're gradually trending down. The median price, it's a lot harder to see. It seems more flat, actually, the median price when it comes to condos. 175, we said, were sold. 24% sold at list price or more. That percentage is coming down. 748 were listed. 5,720 are available for sale. Think about that for a second. I'm going to go back a screen. 175 were actually sold or actually purchased. This is just for the week ending July 24th. 175 were purchased, but the buyers had 5,720 to choose from. Lots of choices out there right now. Active listings, although from 1 week to the next it is down, overall active listings, the amount of condos available for sale, has been increasing. Months of inventory sitting at 7.5 months of inventory. Months of inventory has been trending upwards. That's the whole city. If we break the city down into 9 different sections and we say, well, the whole city's sitting at 7.5 months of inventory, well, there's some neighborhoods doing better. There's some neighborhoods doing worse. Scarborough, for example, condos there are sitting at a 6.7 months of inventory. Etobicoke, condos are at 5.1 months of inventory. High Park, 5.2 months of inventory. Then you get other neighborhoods. You get York Mills, Rosedale, 6.7, 7.1 in Uptown. Downtown, 10 months of inventory. Downtown, for week ending July 24th, 50 units were sold, but there's 2,171 available for sale. So 2% of all condos in downtown Toronto, condos that are for sale, only 2% are actually selling on a weekly basis. Lots of choices out there when it comes to condos. Let's look at York Region condos. 33 condos were sold. 1 of those was at $1 million or more. Average sold price, $658,000. When we look at sales, 33. Look, it's down a little bit because we were for a while hovering around 40, then 36 for 3 weeks in a row. Now we're bouncing around 25, 29, 23, 33. So yeah, maybe sales are coming down slightly, but it's not, predominantly coming down. Average sold price, different story. That's a pretty direct trend downwards. 658,000 is 8% lower year over year. The median price is 16% lower. Average price and median price are trending down. 33 were sold. Only 15% sold at list price or more. 140 were listed, so listings actually went up from 1 week to the next. Active listings is increasing. Months of inventory did come down a bit. That's because the sales went up a bit. But overall, months of inventory trending up, sitting at 6.7 months of inventory. Here's condos for the Peel region. 31 condos were sold. So in the last 3 weeks, we've been in the 30s. So 31 condos were sold. None of those were at $1 million or more. Average sold price way down to $578,000. 578, 10% lower than where we were this time a year ago. The median price is 4% lower. 31 were sold, 35%, more than a third sold at list price or more. Listings are coming down. 110 were listed. 876 are available for sale. Active listings, it has been trending up, but lately sitting in the high 800s, and months of inventory sitting at 6.5 months of inventory. This is condos for Peel region. Here's a quick summary. We're sitting, no matter how you look at it, for almost every area of the GTA, we're sitting in a buyer's market category when it comes to condos. Now, we're in a buyer's market, but not a lot of buyers actually participating in this market. But it is a buyer's market, meaning prices are not going up. Prices are coming down. There's more and more choices out there. Sellers are finding that they need to be coming down in price in order to sell their units. That's a buyer's market. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.